Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see how to install R program in your computer. To use R program you basically need two components. The first is the basic R package and the second is RStudio. Let's talk about these two software components as we install them. First, type R in your web browser and click enter. You will get a first site in your search result naming the R project for statistical computing. Click on it. Here you will see a download option in the left hand side of your web page. Click on the CRAN and here you will get different mirrors for downloading. You can click on any. I prefer to click on the first link but you can choose according to the country. Here you get options for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. I am choosing Windows. You may choose as per your system. Now here you have to choose the base package as you are installing it for the first time. The other packages are an extra plugin to the base package. You have to have the base package first. So I am clicking on the base. Now you will have the button for downloading. Download of 4.2.2 for Windows. It's a 76 MB file and currently the version is 4.2.2 but it may have been changed while you download it. Now it's downloading. While the package is being downloaded, let's move on to the next step, RStudio. Type RStudio in your search and click on the first link you get. The official website will be postit.co. Check for this website while downloading as there may be fake copies for this software. Click on download RStudio and here click on RStudio desktop. There will be two options, RStudio server and RStudio desktop. You're going to need to download the desktop version and click on download. It will take to a page. We have downloaded the R software. Now let's download the RStudio. Now, as the RStudio is being downloaded, let's install the basic R package. Go to the folder where the R is downloaded. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Your computer will give you a prompt asking whether to trust this source. Click on Run and in the prompt view click on Yes. This will bring up a dialog box like this. Here first you have to choose the setup language. I am leaving it as English. Next you have to agree for the terms and conditions. Here you have to choose the directory for installing the R software. I recommend you to leave it as default and click on next. Here it's asking what files need to be installed. Leave it as default. Click on next. And click next on startup options. Leave it to default. Click next in this. It is asking for a name. For the start menu folder, leave it as default and click next. Here you have these two registry entries, these two options. Make sure these two options are checked. Or I mean that these two options should be selected. If these two options were like this, you have to make sure that it is selected and it looks like this. You can create a desktop shortcut if you want, but I'm not doing it. I'm clicking on next. Now it's installing the package. Meanwhile, you can see that the RStudio has been downloaded. It's a 750 MB file. Yeah, now the setup is finished and the basic R package has been installed. Click on finish. Now the next step is to install RStudio. It's same as before. Go to the download folder, right click on the file and click run as administrator. The prompt shown, click yes. Click on next. Leave it to the default location. Click on next. Click on next. And now it's installing. The time for installation process depends on your system. It may be completed fast or it may take time. So wait. Now the installation process for RStudio is complete. Click on finish. And if you go to the start menu and scroll down to the R section, you can see the RStudio. After a correct and successful installation, you will get a window like this, and this shows that you are ready to use R. Thank you.